Hey, Mama.
Yeah?
Have you seen Justin?
I think he went outside.
All right. Hey, Justin. Why are you on the ground? Come on. Ugh. Justin. Justin, come on. All right. All right. Hold on. Hold on. I know what will work. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. So just grab some of that too. Justin. Justin. Come on. Come on, Justin.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It's only like $6 in here. Yep, just having some fun. Brothers in town, so I'm like, hey, might as well put together a video. Just want to let you guys know, yesterday I put out my YouTube channel talking about how I'm putting together a brand new training course, basically teaching you how I do everything as an affiliate marketer. In 1 year alone, just in residual income alone, I made over $50,000, not including regular affiliate sales, investments, everything like that. And all of that came from free marketing. See, there's this big myth when people want to start their own business, when people join a home-based business or affiliate marketing company, whatever it may be, people think that they have to spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on paid advertisements like Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, whatever it may be. People think that they have to pay for leads. But that's not really the case. You see, when people start a business, they think that they have to invest a lot of money just to get a lot of leads and potentially sales, but that couldn't be further from the truth. So the big question is, how was I able to do that? How was I able to earn 50 grand in 1 year just in residual income? The simple answer, social media. Social media marketing isn't the future of marketing because it's the now. It is the current way of marketing. If you're not promoting products, if you're not starting a business on social media, in today's world, you don't have a business. There was a point in my career way before all of the successful moments where I was so confused, I was so lost, I had no idea what I was doing, I had no idea how to make money online, I had no idea how to start my own profitable online business, that I spent over $10,000 in marketing costs, online courses, even in-person seminars. There was also a seminar I flew out to. Long story short, over the years, I've learned a lot of great things, and I've learned what to do, and especially I've learned what not to do. Here I am today, 21 years old, working full-time from the backyard, from a laptop, from a smartphone, from a Starbucks, from the airport, anywhere where I have a laptop and an active internet connection. I'm able to run my online business. And because of all this stuff that I do online, I've had a lot of people ask me, how do you do it, Justin? How can I see the same results as you? I'm struggling, I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, I'm looking to get started. Can you help me? So because of all those popular questions I've been getting, I've decided to put together a full-on course basically teaching you every single thing that is in my head. No strings attached, no fluff, no hype, straight up value, teaching you exactly step by step how I got to where I am today at this age. Keep in mind, I started doing all of this ever since senior year of high school. So if you're watching this video and if you're 70 years old, if you're 18 years old, doesn't matter how young or old you are, you can do this. Everyone has the same capabilities of doing this just as the next person. So once again, I've decided to put together this training course, basically walking you through exactly how I did this. This isn't going to be a 10-hour course that's going to overwhelm you. This isn't going to be a course where I just tell you basic information that you can just find from your neighbor. This is going to be real in-depth knowledge about what I did in order to scale from broke to 50 grand in 1 year just in residual income alone. In the course, you're also going to learn the different tools and resources I specifically used to help me maximize my conversions and my results compared to other tools and resources that cost 10 times more money that you're probably using right now, but you're not seeing any results with. Because I've been doing this for many years, obviously I can't price this course at a very cheap price. It has to be a decent price where it's good enough for my time at the same time it's affordable for you. I was originally thinking of pricing this course at roughly $1,000, which when you still look at it, that's very cheap considering the amount of time and energy I've put into this business, into giving you guys this information back. But I told myself, you know what, I want to make this course available to everyone because I too was at that point where I just wanted to get that quick information. I just wanted to learn one little thing that's going to change my entire life, my entire career in affiliate marketing, and that is why I want to make this course accessible to virtually everyone. So what I've decided to do was, I haven't made the course yet. What I'm doing is, this course is actually in pre-sale. And I made the video talking about it yesterday, saying how the course is going to be in pre-sale. And once I hit 20 members, once I hit 20 students, I'm going to close off the course for good. Not a single person can join after that. A few hours after posting that video and making the announcement about this new course that I'm making in pre-sale, I had 10 people enroll into it. That is amazing because it lets me know that you guys really do want to learn this information. So what I'm doing is for the next 10 people that join, because remember, I'm only accepting 20 people into this course as a beta test to see how it works. The next 10 people who join, you're going to be able to get this course for just $50. And the full price of this course is nowhere near $50. So this is basically the introduction price for the people, the beta members, the beta testers. So if you really want to get into this course, get in now, because trust me, the spots are going to fill really quick. Now, this is not a monthly fee. This is a one-time enrollment fee, whether you're getting in the beta group or you're getting in the regular group after the beta group. So the best part is you don't have to keep paying monthly. Once you get into the group, you have lifetime access to all the content, and every time I update the course, you're going to get free access to that content without having to pay an extra dime. So once again, take advantage of this. If you really want to learn from me directly, you're going to get access to our members area where you can learn everything and you can collaborate with the other students. So take full advantage of it, and congratulations to the 10 of you that signed up within the first few hours. I was shocked myself. I was only expecting like 3-4 people, but 10 people in the first few hours. So the next 10 people get the introductory price of $50, and after that, it goes back up to full price. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hey, Justin. Justin. You alright?
I can't stop laughing. Start over.